Book your taxi 24/7 at a reasonable price with Goa Miles. Download Goa Miles app today.
Speaker Sir, I rise to support the demands of the government and oppose the cut motion. I would like to speak on demand number 13. Firstly, I would like to express my gratitude and would like to thank the Honorable Minister for Water Resources for fulfilling the demand of our people of Pariye for sanctioning and issuing the work order for 15 MLD raw water pumping station for water treatment plant at Molle Colony, Sattari. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Like as everybody knows, Madhe River enters Goa from Sattari, and actually it nourishes the ecology of so many talukas, Tiswadi, Bardes, and Ponda too. Three rivers, mainly Kalti, Kusdo, and Torli, they join to form our Valvanti River, which is a major tributary of the Madhe, and it flows through Pariye. So every year there is so much of soil erosion that is happening in the river during monsoons due to the heavy heavy flow of water. So, the river course has also changed because of this soil erosion. The topography of Sattari being very different from other talukas, कित्याक आमचे there are lot of high hills and all that, which is causing the river to flow with great velocity, and that this is causing lot of damage आमचे जे crops asa, plantations asa on the banks of the river. So this is causing lot of damage to all these crops and plantations. Besides that, because of this heavy velocity and erosion that is happening over the years, आमची जी घरां आसा on the banks of the river, they and during monsoons, because of flooding, because of the erosion in the river and the sedimentation that is happening in the river, कितें जाता, खूब flooding जाता, आणि because of torrential rains there is lot of danger to the houses, and many houses are also getting washed away during floods. जेन्ना पूर आयिल्ले 2 वर्सां पयलीं, तेन्ना खूब त्रास जाल्ले आनी खूब घरां डॅमेज जालीं, उदक भितर सरिल्लें, कित्याक these are on the banks of the river. So I request the Honorable Minister to please look into this and increase the budget provision for retaining walls, which are very necessary for our area, because on the banks of this Valvanti river, so the protection walls and retaining walls are like of utmost importance and on priority if Minister could look into it. The Anjune Dam was constructed in 1987, and since then I think desilting hasn't been done in the dam. आणि कितें जाता, with so much of debris getting accumulated over the years, the water storage capacity, I think, of the dam also reduces over the years. So if desilting could be done of the dam, then hopefully maybe the water storage capacity will improve of the dam. And even the river, because desilting of the rivers haven't been done. If cleaning and desilting of the river is done, then we can ensure maybe a free flow, and maybe that will prevent future flooding also maybe in times. So last time Madhe were really, we don't know what happened that time. तशी ह्या सायडीन वालवंती म्हादय दोनी लागता, सो हांचे तर desilting तर maybe we could think of, then flooding issues also, so maybe there is so much of power crisis आमच्या सत्तरी भागांत. So ताजे खातीर जे तुमचे pumping stations आसा, that is affecting all the pumps very badly, and even the pumps are getting damaged, and there are no replacement pumps, so irrigation facilities getting damaged because of this. So I would like to request the Honorable Minister if you could ensure a stable power supply to the pumping stations, to the dam sites, to the lift irrigation sites, so that this issue that is happening at the pumping stations, आणि मागीर ते उदक आमच्या शेतकऱ्यांक खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता, because pump damage जाता, आणि उदकय पावरय पावना, पंप चलना, प्लस इतले पावर फ्लक्च्युएशन आसा म्हणटकच ते सगळे आमचे जे पंप्स आसा खूब डॅमेज जाता. सो इफ ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर कुड लूक इन टू दीस. आमचे बंदाराज आमच्या भागान खूब बंदाराज आसा अँड वी नो द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ बंदाराज कित्याक बंदाराज आमकां वॉटर हार्वेस्टींग बिकॉज ऑफ बंदाराज वी कॅन डू वॉटर हार्वेस्टींग अँड इट हेल्प्स टू कलेक्ट आमचे रेन वॉटर अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आमचे ज्यो बांय आसात त्यो सुकतात त्यो बंदाराज जर असले जाल्यार तांचे बी वॉटर लेवल्स फाल्यां वाडपाक शकता आनी बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट जे आमचे बंदाराज आसा खुबशे बंदाराज आसा वीच नीड अर्जंट रिपेर्स आनी रेनोवेशन्स आनी प्लस आमच्या ठाणे पंचायत मावशी पंचायत देर इज नॉट अ पेरिनियल रिवर लायक वालवंती माधय बी कश्यो आसा तशें त्या एरियांनी अशी देर इज नो पेरिनियल रिवर थंय एक चिचारा म्हणून एक रिवर आसा ठाण्या वीच फ्लोज वीच इज अ ब्युटिफूल रिवर पण ती कितें बाय फेब्रुवारी एंड ऑल इट स्टार्ट्स ड्रायींग अप सो 4-5 म्हयने थंय उदक ना सो ठाणे हातून बंदाराज आसा बट वी नीड टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट मोर बंदाराज on this so that water harvesting जाऊन जे that can be used for irrigation as well as maybe drinking water purpose also कित्याक from 2 minutes because sir from Thane that same river flows to Maushi Panchayat because besides that there is no other source of water for these panchayats. So I have put in a request for construction of bandaras in Maushi also, so that will help the local panchayat issues. कित्याक थंय तर थोडे जुने बंदारा आसा पण हे ते नवे तर बंदारा तर जाले जाल्यार आमचे हे वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग आय थिंक दॅट विल हेल्प अ लॉट फॉर दॅट एरिया कित्याक आमचे इतले वॉटर क्रायसीस आसा दीज पंचायत्स कित्याक तांकां पेरिनियल रिवर ना थंय आनी सोर्स ना इवन फॉर अ ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट टू कम अप विथ एक लास्ट आसा ते आमचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट लेबर जे आसा ते दे आर working in all the division and subdivision offices and तांचे pay scale is very meager म्हणटा तशें just earning some 9,000 per month or something which is low आता तर आमी पळयलें with the rate of inflation आणि cost of living is so high. So मागता की तांचे तर salaries and they have been working on this contract basis as temporary workers for many years. And they have reached such a age that they can't even change their profession and change their employment म्हणटा तशें employment challenge आसा तांकां. So मागता मिनिस्टरा कडेन if you could just look into तांची services and give them the benefits of a permanent worker. आणि जी मॅनपावराची जी शॉर्टेज आसा इन द डिविजन सब डिविजन ऑफिसीस ज्युनियर इंजिनियर जावनी नाजाल्यार TA जावनी LDC जावनी ताज्या खातीर मातशें जे फायली बी प्रिपेर करपाचें आसा तें मातशें काम वयर सकयल जाता सो मागता की मातशें मॅनपावराचो शॉर्टेज मातशें तुमी मातशें हें करात. आय थँक द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर वन्स अगेन फॉर सॉल्विंग आवर वॉटर इश्यू बाय गिविंग अस द 15 MLD प्लांट आणि मातशे हे जे आमचे इश्यूज आसा मातशे लक्षांत घेयात. थँक्यू स्पीकर सर.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.
Enjoy luxury in the wild at Earthen Nest, Khotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. Book your gateway today.